Right. So as you know, alcohols also have some interesting physical properties such as high melting and boiling points. And then this all comes from the alcohol's ability to do hydrogen bonding. So think back from Gen Chem. Remember that hydrogen bonding isn't actually a bond. It's an intermolecular attraction between hydrogen connected to a very electronegative atom. So oxygen, of course, counts as an electronegative atom. And so what we have is a net dipole here where this carbon is partially positive and the oxygens are partially negative. And of course, they've got this lone pair. And so this interaction between this partially positive hydrogen and a neighboring partially negative oxygen creates a strong dipole-dipole interaction that we call a hydrogen bond. And if you think back to your intermolecular forces, this is the most powerful intermolecular force. So as an example, here we have butane. And butane is a gas at room temperature because its boiling point is -1 degree Celsius. And then on the other side here, we have 1-propanol. And you can see they have about the same molecular mass, yet this 1-propanol's boiling point is equal to 97 degrees Celsius. So you can see almost a 100 degrees Celsius change. The hydrogen bonding ability of alcohols also allows them to be water soluble as long as they're relatively small. So small alcohols, such as methanol, ethanol, that kind of thing, are water soluble. And of course, this is due to this hydrophilic OH area, right? That's capable of hydrogen bonding. So that part's hydrophilic, whereas this part right here would be hydrophobic. But if the hydrophobic area keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger, eventually it'll become insoluble. This occurs at approximately 8 carbons. So that would be something like octanol would not be soluble in water, right? And just some common alcohols you should be aware of. 1-methyl, that'll be methanol. Has a lot of important industrial uses, although you definitely don't want to drink it. This one right here is ethanol. Also very important industrial uses, but this of course is the alcohol that you drink to become intoxicated. And then we have isopropanol. Otherwise known as 2-propanol. This one also has a lot of industrial uses, but also a lot of household applications as well.